this is my first parrot. Wait, we don't know what his name is yet. He's so cute. Oh.
He's an African gray.
Yes, he's an African gray parrot. Congo. And to me, sometimes when he sticks his head out like that, it looks like he's a vulture. But he's so adorable. When you scratch him on the neck, he'll just like make a little sounds and put his head to the side. It's so cute. Aww.
9 weeks old.
And he's 9 weeks old. He's very tired. Oh, he's stretching out. Oh, he's getting ready to go to sleep. That is so cute. It is actually my first bird ever as a pet. My mom has been wanting one forever because she loves the way they copy you and they're adorable as babies. They're so adorable.